fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox a little mini haul that I got from Fansells. I haven't really been doing a lot of partials or small kits. I was kind of trying to finish a lot of them up and be done with them so that I didn't have as much to pack and move. But I saw these and I couldn't resist some of them. So they're all 30 by 30s, they're all partials, and then I've got a little surprise in here. So let me just move these off to the side, and we're gonna look at what's in here first. This is a set of cover minders, and I just thought they were really cute. So there are 6 different ones, they're all 6 different colors, and they're just these really cute little hearts with little like star glitter on them. Let me open one of these so we can see what it looks like. And they're just these really cute little cover minders. And like I said, there's 6 of them. They're all different colors. We've got red, blue, pink, purple, gold, and silver. And I just thought they were really cute. They're nice and big, which a lot of the cover minders you get aren't that big. So I thought these would be nice. And who doesn't love sparkles and glitter, right? So the set of 6 of these was $5.42. So I have now 6 cute little heart cover minders. All right, now that those are out of the way, let's look at our canvases. So like I said, these are all 4 of these canvases are partials. They're all 30 by 30, but I thought they were all cute for various reasons. So we get our standard toolkit boat plate of wax pink pen. It is a special drill canvas. You can see our rhinestones there. We'll look at those in a minute. And here is our cute little owl. Isn't this little guy adorable? So it's 30 by 30. We have a schematic on both sides, 12 different drills, no DMC codes, but that's okay. When it's special drills, I don't mind that too much. Nice and sticky where it's supposed to be. So let's measure. So it's supposed to be 30 by 30. I'm gonna guess it's 25. A little under 25 actually, by 25. So roughly 25 by 25. But I just thought it was super cute. Oh, how interesting. This is supposed to be an E, and if I look at the symbol, the E is the right direction, but it's flip-flopped here. Oh wow, they all are. Oh no, they're not. I thought the C was backwards for a minute. This one is. How interesting. It doesn't look like any of the D's are backwards. All the C's and A's you wouldn't be able to tell. All the B's look the right way. Oh, I guess if the C is upside down. So I guess if I turn it this way, the E is correct. How funny. Okay, I don't think I've ever noticed that before. All right, let's look at the drills. So like I said, we've only got 12 colors. So we've got green, like a light green, a light blue, a light purple, a very light pink, a light kind of orange, and then kind of like a smoke color. And then we've got all of our special drills here. We've got a small blue marquee. We've got some iridescent small purple teardrops. And then we've got green iridescent and purple iridescent marquee shaped. We've got the very large teardrop, which we only need one of these because that's for the beak. So those other 2 are going to be extra. And then we've got some very small little seed pearls. Cute. I like these because they work up really quickly and they're cute. Now I was thinking that this one had glasses because I thought I was going to get this one for my sister, but maybe I am misremembering because I look at a lot of different kits. So there's this cutie. This is $3.81, and all of the other canvases are the same price. They're the same size. So let me move this little guy out of the way and we'll look at the next one. All right, so again, we've got our standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. So we'll look at those in a minute. And we've got this beauty. Now, I got this one because I don't think I've ever done a horse canvas before. I do have a Lori Pringle from Diamond Art Club that's quite large, so I haven't gotten to it yet. That is a horse, but I don't think I've ever done, maybe some unicorns, but not an actual horse. I don't think, anyway. So again, this is a 30 by 30. We've got 7 different drills, it looks like. No DMC codes again, but it's special drill, so it's not going to take very long. And you don't have to do the horse's face, it's just the mane and the flowers and everything, which again, these are quick wins for me. So let's measure. This is 24 by 24 roughly. It is nice and sticky. So we've only got 7 drills. I don't see any backward symbols on here. We just have the 2 special drills. The rest of them look like they're all going to be crystal rhinestones. So let me grab the drills. All right, so unsurprisingly, a lot of these are black. There's actually some just regular black drills, and those go in the mane. And then we've got these kind of dark brown smoky drills. Then we've got green for the leaves, orange for the flowers, this kind of antique orange also for the flowers. And then we've got our 2 special drills. We've got gold marquee shaped, and then we've got these yellow stars. So the yellow stars kind of go right here in the middle of this flower. So you really don't need too many of those. So definitely would have some leftovers of that one as well. All right, so there's the horse. Let me grab the third one. Same thing, you can see we've got our typical toolkit boat plate of wax pink pen. We've got our special drills here. We'll look at those in a minute. And we've got this cute kit. You can imagine why I was drawn to this. It seems like sometimes kits with poppies are really easy to find. Sometimes they're more difficult. I don't always like all of them, but I thought this one was really pretty. I like the kind of peachy flowers here in the background, and I really like the little red butterfly. So again, this is a 30 by 30. We've got 8 different drills. Again, no DMC codes or crystal codes, but I suppose that's okay. Quick wins again. Nice and sticky where you need it to be. Again, a 30 by 30, so let's measure. This one is 24 by 24. All right, let's look at our drills. This is so funny to me that I never noticed before that some of these are upside down. I guess that one just struck me as being backwards, the E, but it really isn't. It was just upside down. I can't believe I never noticed that before. Anyway, all right, so our drills here, we've got a lot of the red rhinestone crystals, obviously, for the poppies. We've got some clear. We've got some regular black drills for the butterfly. We've got green for the leaves. And then we've got all of our special drills. We've got some very large gold rounds. We've got these iridescent marquee shaped. We've got red teardrops, and we've got some red iridescent small rounds. So again, all of these are going to be quick wins for me. So that was kit number 3. Let me grab the last one. All right, so for the last one, again, typical toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. We've got our special drills here. I got this one because it really reminds me of my mom's lionfish, even though it's not a lionfish, it's more like a koi fish. I like the color scheme, even though it's kind of that AI art color scheme, which I don't always like. It's a little less cotton candy-ish and more teals, which is appealing to me. So another 30 by 30. We've got 8 different drills here. No drill codes again. It looks like 5 of them are the regular rhinestones, and then we have 3 special drill kits. Again, nice and sticky where you need it to be. I kind of like that his fins kind of look like feathers and everything too. All right, let's measure. So 30 by 30, I'm gonna guess this is 24. Nope, it's 25. So 25 by 25. I just love his little mustache looking thing here. All right, let's look at the drills. All right, so only 8 drills, not very many, like I said. We've got clear, we've got this pale turquoise, we've got like a pale orange, a pale blue, a light purple, and then we've got our specialty drills. They're all marquee shaped. We've got blue, we've got iridescent, and we've got gold. So yeah, I thought these were all cute. Quick wins, quick finishes for the fish, the owl, and the horse. Hopefully maybe I can save the poppies until DP for vets, but we'll see. All right, let me get everything kind of put back together and I'll be back for a little recap. So we've got our 4 kits here. We've got the horse, the fish, the owl, and then the poppy flowers with the butterfly. And we've got our cute little heart cover minders. in all the different colors. I will, as always, stick links to all of these down below so you can check them out for yourself. I always have really good luck at Fansells. Again, these are all quick wins. These are not meant to be things that take a lot of time. These are just, oh my gosh, I'm working on a big long project and I need a quick finish. So that's what these are for me. I may start with the little fish guy because I really like the color scheme on that one. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.